Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install iPhone-like keyboard on Xreal Beam Pro. To install an iPhone-like keyboard, go to Play Store and search for green Apple keyboard. Then click on Install. Open. Enable in settings, enable green Apple keyboard, OK, and click here to go back, switch input method, switch it to green Apple keyboard, finished. And now you can go anywhere, for example to Google, and see that this is your Apple keyboard. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.